Good afternoon.
Good afternoon, ma'am.
How are you all? Your trial test, is it over? Do you have the trial test today? MCQ? Is it over? Then, am I audible?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Trial test, that means MCQ test is over?
No, ma'am.
No. Maybe tomorrow, right?
Only ma'am.
Tomorrow? Have you got the timetable?
Yes.
Okay, when it is? Which subject?
Max.
Maths. Tomorrow, right?
Yes.
Okay. So, day after tomorrow means the next day when we meet, we will have a mock test. Okay, social, I will give you one test. Okay, already I have taken for 7A and B because once their MCQ has been completed. Okay, so after when your maths test, when it is over, I will take you social test, mock test. Okay? Okay.
ma'am. Okay, ma'am.
Okay. So I had given the portion from history first chapter and geography first chapter. I had given the portion for the exam. Okay, now I think 24 students joined. Okay, mute your audio. Okay, last class we discussed about rocks and the different types of rock. Okay, do you remember?
Yes. Yes,
About igneous rocks we discussed, then sedimentary rocks and metamorphic rocks, right?
Yes.
Okay. Yes. Bhaja, can you tell me about igneous rocks? How it is being formed?
When the malt. No, ma'am.
Molten magma.
When the malt. No, ma'am.
I can hear you. It's
When
correct.
the molten magma coming out from the interior of the earth, it become cool and it is solid.
Yeah. See, what is igneous rocks? The answer you can tell when the molten magma become cool. Okay. Children, when the molten magma cool, it becomes solid. Such rocks are known as igneous rocks. Okay. Then if you were asking about intrusive and extrusive, okay, there are two types of igneous rocks, that is intrusive igneous rocks and extrusive igneous rocks. So when you are asking to write the definition of intrusive and extrusive, you can write that intrusive igneous rocks, when the molten magma become cool inside the earth crust. Okay, such rocks are known as intrusive igneous rocks. Can you tell me an example for that?
Granite.
Okay, and since it cool slowly because it's inside the crust, okay, so it will be, means it may be in a grained structure. Granite is an example for that one. Okay, and extrusive. And Albin Sibi, can you tell me extrusive igneous rocks? Unmute your speaker and tell me. Efren is ready to say the answer. Tell me, dear, about extrusive igneous rock.
Can I say?
When the molten magma cools down and forms solid. Then the igneous rocks are formed.
Yeah. Extrusive igneous rocks.
Extrusive igneous rocks are formed.
How it being formed? Where it is being formed?
Ma'am, when the molten
It's outside the
lava
Earth's
becomes-
crust.
Yes, yes, on the earth surface. Okay, on the earth surface. Is it clear, children? Is it clear?
Yes, ma'am.
And we discussed about sedimentary rocks. Okay, and I have told you rocks when it's rolled down. Yes, it will crack each other. It will crack each other, and if it will break into many pieces.
Small fragments.
Yes, these small particles, okay, of rocks is known as fragments or the sediments. Okay, and these sediments, due to the agents of erosion, that means wind, rain, water, okay, all this will carry or means carry away, means transport all these things and will deposit. Yes, it will deposit somewhere. Okay, and with the remains of the means along with the dead remains of the plants and the animals, means fossils and sand, all these things will compress and harden to form
Sedimentary rocks.
Sandstone, limestones are the example for the sedimentary rocks. Okay, that means all the means it contains the fossils and also the microorganisms who lived on that things, means on the rock. Okay, and it will take long years to form a rock. Okay, and example is sandstone and also limestone. These are the examples for the these are the examples for the sedimentary rocks.
Ma'am, shale is also there, right?
No. Okay. Then when these igneous and sedimentary rocks, when it is subjected to heat and pressure,
will
Gauripriya,
change
I
into
think your
metamorphic
network
rock.
is not okay. Gauripriya, are you there? Your network is not stable, I think. Gauripriya. See, yes, children, come back to the portion. That means when this igneous and sedimentary rocks, when it is subjected to heat and pressure, it will change into
Metamorphic rock.
metamorphic rock. It will change into metamorphic
Metamorphic
rock.
rocks.
Afridi, why you are late for the class? Okay. Okay, metamorphic rock. And I have told you clay. Okay, it will change into slate. Okay, and when limestone, when we apply heat and pressure, it will change into marble. Okay, clear now? Clear, my dear children?
Yes, ma'am.
Any doubt regarding this, any of the type of rock or anything?
No, ma'am.
No, ma'am.
Sure. Okay, fine. Okay, fine, children. So the next question means next thing we are going to discuss, that is about the rock cycle. Rock cycle. Okay, before that, see children, rocks are very useful to us. Okay, rocks are used to build our houses, build roads. We are using the rocks for construction, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, it is used to build our house, roads, okay, buildings, everything. And also it is used to play the games. Do you know,
And
means,
it is
have you
used to
played
make
any
fire.
games using the stones?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Can you tell me any name? Hmm? Are you playing with the stones, means with the rocks?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah. You can ask to your parents. Okay, I think they used to play with the stones, like means with the rocks. Okay, some games are there. They will use to play. So the rocks, we are used to build the roads.
Sorry,
Means
ma'am.
for the construction, we are
Sorry, ma'am.
using. Yes, yes.
And it is also used to make spark, right? Fire.
Yeah. That is not now. That's not now. Okay, it is used means during
Olden days.
yeah. Early human beings used the rocks to fire. Okay, and it is used to means now we are using the rocks for building the settlements, building the house and all, roads and all. And also we used to play some games by using the
Ma'am, throwing stones and playing.
rolling,
Throwing stones and playing.
throwing stones and playing. It is very dangerous. Who is doing this?
Ma'am,
Afridi. Afridi?
yes, ma'am.
Ah, okay, okay. You are still there, right?
Yes.
Nothing happened to you.
No.
Okay, fine. Okay, fine. Okay. So let me come to the next portion, that is rock cycle. Please mute your audio. I can hear some sound from your home. Okay. Alvin, mute your audio. When I asked the question, there was no response. Albin, Nihan Salim and all, Afridi, why you are hiding there? I want to see you all. Turn on your video. Don't hide. Nihan Salim, Gauri Priya. I think Gauri Priya, her connection, I know it is not stable. Noor Al Haya. Yeah. Say your name. It's a bit interesting. Noor
Al-Haya.
Al Haya. Okay, okay. Okay, children. So let me discuss about rock cycle. The next portion we need to study, it is very important. That is rock cycle. Okay. Say, children, when this, how the igneous rocks are being formed, we just discussed about igneous rocks. How it is being formed?
The molten magma cools and becomes solid.
Yes, yes. When the molten magma cools, it becomes solid and it becomes igneous rocks. Okay, is it clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. When this molten magma, means when it is clear, it become igneous rocks. When this igneous rock, okay, when it become, means when it hit somewhere, it will break into pieces and it will change into
Small pieces.
Can you answer me?
Small pieces.
See, my question is, when the molten magma cools, it become igneous rocks. Okay, when this igneous rocks hit somewhere and it will crack into many pieces and it will, means these broken pieces will transport, and when it settle down, it will change into
Sedimentary rock.
yes, yes, yes. It will change into sedimentary rock. Okay, listen here, all of you. Listen here. After that, you can write. Okay, and when this sedimentary rocks, if it is again subjected to heat and pressure, it will change into
Metamorphic rock.
metamorphic rock. Okay, and again this metamorphic rock with great heat and pressure, what will happen? The melt. It will lead to melt the molten magma, and it becomes, it comes to the earth surface or inside the earth crust, and it will change into
Another type of stone.
stone. Which stone? Which
Igneous
type?
rocks.
Igneous rocks. Okay. See, children, can you imagine? That means one type of rock is changing into another type of rock. Do you understand? Do you understand?
Yes, ma'am.
Such type of, I mean, such transformation. Okay, such change are
It's
known
called
as
rock cycle.
Rock
cycle.
cycle.
Gopika Shankar, can you explain to me?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, first, when the sedimentary rocks, if they're, ma'am, ma'am,
Sambar.
ABCD is the question. Hello. Hi.
Are you there, children?
Yes, ma'am.
Sorry for the interruption. Power failure. Okay. See, we just discussed about rock cycle.
Rock cycle.
Okay.
cycle.
Who is this guy? I don't know. The name has given SLAMMBDRH like that. Who is this? Turn on your video. All of you turn on your video. Let me see. Have told you, we have instructed you many times to enter with your name, but no response. Okay, children, listen. Listen. What you meant by rock cycle? One type of rock changes into another type. Okay, one type of rock is changes into another type. Okay, that transformation is known as
Rock
cycle.
cycle.
Okay, we can say it is a repeated process. That means it's a cyclic process. Okay, it's a cyclic process. Igneous rocks. Okay, when the molten magma become cools, it become igneous rocks. Igneous rocks, when it hit or hit somewhere, it will crack into pieces. Okay, these small particles of the rock along with the
Power failed.
Power came. Power came.
Hi, Sabi. Please make me. You please remove.
Come.
Ma'am, you are muted.
how am I audible?
Yes, ma'am.
See, frequent power failure is happening over here. Okay, sorry for the interruption again. See, Nasrin, can you tell me what you meant by
Okay.
do you have any idea?
Can you repeat the question?
I can't hear you.
Hello, ma'am. Now you can hear me?
Yes, yes.
Ma'am, can you repeat the question? Ma'am,
Tell me. I can hear
ma'am,
you.
can you repeat the question?
Yes, I can hear you.
Ma'am, can you repeat the question?
What is a rock cycle?
Ma'am, when the igneous rock become magma, it cools down
Igneous rocks are formed. Yes. Then
and it hits to some rocks and it becomes sedimentary rocks. And
can you say louder? Can you say a bit louder? It's not audible to me.
okay, ma'am, when the igneous rocks become cooled down and it into other rocks and it becomes sedimentary rocks and
Sorry, Nasrin.
rocks.
It's not audible. Gopika, Parvati, any one of you?
Yes, ma'am.
Sharanya, tell me.
Ma'am, when the molten magma cools down, it forms igneous rocks. When the
Yes, yes.
igneous rock hit somewhere and break down into small pieces and settle down, it forms.
Sedimentary rocks.
When the sedimentary rocks get heated, it forms
Yes.
into metamorphic rocks.
Yes, yes.
And when the metamorphic rocks get overheated, it forms again into igneous.
Excellent answer. Very good. Who said it?
Gopika.
Gopika, very good. Okay. I hope it is clear to you. I think it is clear to you all. Is it?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, fine, children. Next class we will we will finish this chapter. Only one more section to finish about rocks and minerals. Okay, that we will discuss on the next class, and I will send you the notes. And next day when you come, just prepare the chapter, that is history lesson 1 and geography lesson 1. We will have a mock test, social test. Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay. It's just only a trial. It is just only a trial. Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay. Bye, children. See you
Thank
on
you,
the
ma'am.
next
Thank
class.
you, ma'am.
Thank you.
Bye,
Thank you.
ma'am.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you, ma'am.
Da. Family meeting.